Relta mishe madudi ba bota sukru bontsho gore re fihlele rena ba independent forum re tlile go makala batho ba batletse mo ga ba rena gore na ba jo ba le kae gona ke eng ba etla mo la e bona number plate gore se moko ba re ba goditse ba gala di ba le ba gekola ba gore na ba jo ba le kae mepete di tool di pakete ba lokile go loka mo ba tswang gona na ba tlo re botsa rena le kae go makala wa ba nna le jo le kae
Esprit le ya guys.
Ono khanela usalingo. Sibuye kutohlala la.
Awwa.
Why le tohlala mo
Le
sabana la enel spirit
mina ngitsengisela.
le sebentela la why le sa hlalo gona kwa town
Le sebenela kuphi la?
le rekshang kwa town
Kunemsebenzi la.
hawo bana abe mo a re sa nyaka ba gala e ka sa re se bua go sohlala la a re bere jwalo mose ke metšhina e business le tletse le business gape banna mo le re bana ba ga ba rena ba tlo phela ka efe business awa ba galajo re ka sa tla ra e dumela eo awa re ka sa tla ra e dumela that one no we're not gonna allow that lena le tlo hlala mo moshata ba le tsebe le swere passport ka moka you got passport all of you got passport but why are you running from Nelspruit to here yeah
mina ngihlale ngedwa baba 3 years ngwane bantwana ndoda
we indoda yakho ihlala la kuphi lapha endlini
no le indzawothi bukilweni sitholelwa nemngane wakhe lapha
awa cruiser range so kanti le chabanga botse ko country ya lena bana
Leadership. Aisa khone yo ba teng gale mogala jo o re no ba krele mo ba ba hae ka ba re bona ba tlambo yena ba ke tse tsa ba polo kwa ntse go latla go lata wa e kushisa ga di bua re ife itse ba teng ilana pana ba tsia ba go mele morago
mo nna ga re na la
independent forum
a re ka sa tla dumela ntso re ba eta pele ba independent forum a re dumela ntso bona bana a dudi le belang re bolla ka batho ba beng gore ke 14 bona gone ba lokile mo ba tswago ba boela gae ba sa tla ka mo pota suku ka mo wa 20 masipaleng wa feta go motubatsa traka shidila re bona di ba tshule ka makatana man ke ba fala direla ka bona le belang shi number plate la re bona tshule ka makatana man ba banga ba sa ba fologa ba ka mo gare ka mugo go jwang ka mo le na le fologa le dirile VIP ka mo le dirile VIP a le fologa le ka mo ntse re bolla le batho mo le dutse ka mo gare la gana go dirtle go bapala mo le tloga jeng mo le dirileng mo le tswago bana
ba re banyaka mo ba re ba dula ka so
yo awa mo le tlile go makang ka ra gona mmereko
mina angize ngabuyela
iya spar ambala famba orilo eri tswa aspela ba fala di shibare ba ntse ka motseng wa Potasu re tenne re enough is enough ba re tlela le magadima le dikorobela le difulane le ditšhefe le ditokoloji re ba tloga re tenne ba re ba tswa ba nna le spray ba tla gona gore ganele mo yes re tenne ka lena re sware ditikolosi mo dikoloing tša lena mo re tlotla monageng ga re bonang le traka ntse re ja mohuta mang a sea mo batho ba ba ntshontsho le ka moganong ba tle le medundu ya bona mo le mepete le dinoga ka mogadutse ba fihla ba bule dikereke ba bule dintumba ba re ke bona dingaka a ba sepele ba makwanageng ya ka bona a re tla go bapala mo re le ba etapele ba ka mo ba 20 ba independent forum re fuck off enough is enough right itraki ya phuma le mepete ya kunuka ya phuma hambani la ss tenne ai real escort a re ba gala jwa escorteng go fihla mafelong re bona ba ne ba tshikontiri ba dilo ka mogara ga motso wa Potasuku na ge ya rena re tlo protect ka matsoga mabeji ba galajo
batho ba Potasu motseng wa mo Limpopo ba letši ba tsenetswe ke ba tswa ka ntle ba re ba tswa ba le Nelspruit ba tlile ka ditraka tše di tletše di furniture ke re la bona go busy go tletše so ka mgo ba chabile Nelspruit ba tlo dula mo Limpopo so question e ke iputšang gore gona naganyane ba le mo yona lebala le ba le file ke mang ba boditse ke mang ka lebala le gore go lokile ba ka tla ba occupy lebala le ka re batho ba mo ba re le ge ba tsoga ba bona movie ba re ye next e se mo Potasu puta di bege le bone gore le ka re ba re le ba butse ba re okay le tlile ge maphepha kae di documents tsa bona gore le badudi ba South Africa le right on South Africa a se ba tshwara di documents yo modim batho ba Potasu ba re le rena mo mmereko a rena re tlhakile re tshwana le lena yang gae so ba khapiwe bedo mara ba encourage gore ba boele gae cause le rena mo ba bona go buima so I get Limpopo le yona ba re le ba botsa ba re join Limpopo phutha matso batho ba le no ba tloga bo di Joburg ke re Joburg le bo KZN ka naga tse le re di gafile di pukile so ba tshaba kwa ba botsa na gape re okay ya mokopano ka re quiet polokwane quiet tlanse shego then ba tla ka di truck ba relocate la mo so maybe someone ba boditse Potasu go ne le peace tla batla mo ba santse ba bitse gae jwale ka Ghana ba re Ghana go ne le peace home is where the heart is home is home batho ba ikela gae le bone warm welcome ya Ghana batho ba mo ka bona gore batho ba ishetsana ne di politicians tsa rena di kae Bundlozi Malema Cyril Ramaphosa Thabo Mbeki Maimani all these people ba advocating gore batho ba dulemo I was hoping gore ke tlo bona one of them a bitsa di tracker tse gore di tle go complex ya gae ba netse ba hostile until ba tlo ba sharp ba bona gore ba ishaka goreng ba palla le go ba fa le marobalonyana a beke 2 days go di complex ntja bona tshela tsa di high securities he ba ishetsa rena ba rena re ba be ba kae we ba sa tse batho ba nkere ba re ke botho humanitarian not ba kae West Part ke mo Limpopo Julius Malema ya sa ba romeli shego ka jarteng ya kokwage ba netse ba dutse okay.
Traffic officer said the Polokwane Traffic Control Center intercepted 2 minibuses on the N1 bypass traveling from Zimbabwe towards Gauteng. On inspection, the first minibus carried 27 passengers, but only one had a valid passport. The second minibus carried 23 passengers, with only one also in possession of a valid passport. The immigration team had processed 48 individuals found to be in the country illegally. The group will be escorted back to Beitbridge for deportation in line with legal prescription.
Shocking is that out of all these Kumbis, there is only one person in this Kumbi who has got a passport. All the other passengers do not have passports, and they are alleging that they've crossed through the river, which is strange. And they crossed through the river in the middle of the night. They paid 100 rand in the river for them to be transported over to this side.
Both buses or minibuses have been impounded for breaching their operating license condition. The Department of Transport and Community Safety remains committed to upholding road safety and protecting commuters and working with the law enforcement to stop illegal activities in our province.
I think it's very important. Let's not try to dance around the reality that there are many undocumented people in the country. And when we look at some of those flights that left the country, again, the BMA, Home Affairs, on the ground, doing our work, doing our component of what is required. And then we found many people there who did not have legal status to be in South Africa. That's a fact. And so I think we must be guided by the facts on this. I think we mustn't try to sort of divert away from the reality that over many years, there are many people who came into this country illegally. And that is the issue that we have to confront and that we are dealing with through exactly the kind of systemic reforms that we were talking about today, as well as the reforms at Home Affairs that really extend across the population register and making sure that we're able to really, for the very first time ever, have biometric.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, into senzo abantu bokufika ke manje sebasuka kwenye province baye kwenye. Laba nje abe truck kuthiwa basuka eNelspruit ngoba sebafika eLimpopo. So lesiganga lesi it's not like ukuthi basithengile or something. Bavele babona nje isiganga bathi nje la siyahlala ke siyakha. And siyazi ukuthi labantu laba kuqala kufika nje few kuzothi kophela inyanga akube kuumphakathi seba more than 100 sekugcwele imikhukhu sebayezenzele nje umphakathi wabo. So iLimpopo nayo ithi nje nope, not in our province. Hambani ke niye kwenye province maningafuni ukuya ku country yenu. Good people, please share your thoughts below and then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.